Ever scroll through a stunning online store, eyes glued to that perfect summer dress, only to balk at the shipping estimate? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of dropshipping, where speed and transparency are king, understanding shipping can be a confusing hurdle. So, if you've ever asked yourself, who exactly delivers my Spocket orders, then buckle up, because this video is here to shed light on the mysterious world of Spocket shipping. The Spocket advantage: location, location, location. Spocket prides itself on offering a unique dropshipping experience. Unlike some competitors who source products globally, a whopping 80% of Spocket suppliers are based in the US and Europe. This geographical advantage translates to faster shipping times for your customers, a massive perk in today's competitive landscape. Think about it. Imagine a customer in California excitedly placing an order for a phone case. With a US-based Spocket supplier, that case could be in their hands within a week. This efficiency not only keeps your customers happy, but it also fosters trust and loyalty in your brand. Understanding the shipping timeline. But wait, there's more to Spocket shipping than just supplier location. Let's delve deeper into the timeline of a typical Spocket order. Order placement: a customer clicks that magical buy button on your store. Order processing: the order gets transmitted to your chosen Spocket supplier. Here, the processing time kicks in. This can vary depending on the product. Customization or intricate packaging might take a bit longer. Shipping begins. Once processed, the supplier ships the order using their preferred carrier. Spocket itself doesn't dictate the specific shipping service, but many suppliers utilize USPS, DHL, or FedEx for domestic and international deliveries. The spoiler alert: it depends. By now, you might be itching for a definitive answer. Exactly how long does Spocket shipping take? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all response. Here's why. Supplier location: as mentioned earlier, a U.S. supplier to a U.S. customer will have a faster turnaround than a shipment traveling across continents. Product complexity: a simple phone case zips through processing quicker than a handcrafted bracelet. Delivery service: the chosen carrier significantly impacts delivery speed. Express options are obviously faster, but come at a higher cost. The power is in your hands and on your store. While Spocket facilitates efficient shipping, the final call rests with you, the dropshipper. Here's how you can influence the shipping experience for your customers. Be transparent. Clearly outline estimated shipping times on your product pages. This sets expectations and avoids frustration. Offer options. Consider providing a variety of shipping methods: standard, expedited, and maybe even free shipping with a minimum order value. Communicate effectively. Keep your customers informed throughout the process. Tracking information and status updates are key to building trust. Remember, you're the captain of your dropshipping ship. By understanding Spocket's supplier network, processing times, and the factors influencing delivery speed, you can effectively manage customer expectations and ensure a smooth shopping experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.